Welcome. In front of me is an ASUS ROG Phone 8 Pro, and today I will show you how you can enable and also set up your portable hotspot. So to get started, pull down your notifications by swiping down from the top of your screen and then swipe down once again to extend the list of visible toggles. One of those should be a hotspot toggle. For me, it is visible on the first page, but if you don't see it on the same page, you could swipe to the left and this will show you additional pages. Now once you see it, hold the toggle for the first time. This will quickly take you to the settings where you can customize the hotspot itself. Now, most important thing that you probably want to change in here is the password. By default, it is randomly generated, so without checking it, you have no way of knowing what it is. Now, I do recommend getting rid of it completely and setting up your own new password, which will need to have at least 8 characters in length. Now, there's other options in here that you can customize it to fit your needs, but I would argue that most of those are set pretty well by default, so if you don't know what these do, I don't recommend changing them. Anyway, from here we're gonna close this, find the toggle, and this time around simply tap on it to enable it, and that's it. Now by default, the timer is enabled, so after 5 minutes of inactivity, it will turn off your hotspot automatically, which is a really handy option to have enabled, because if you forget about it, it would then be running indefinitely in the background, and hotspot does consume a little bit more of your phone's battery. And last thing to say is you can also turn it off manually yourself by simply tapping on a toggle once again. So with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.